Here we have an infinite series with the expression 1 over 4n squared minus 4n minus 3, and I want to show that this infinite series converges to 1/3. So the first thing we want to do is decompose the expression 1 over 4n squared minus 4n minus 3. And the equivalent expression is 1 over 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. And then the factors here are 2x minus 3, 2x plus 1. Using what's called partial fraction decomposition, we can rewrite this as some constant a over 2x minus 3 plus some constant b over 2x plus 1. To combine these two expressions, we can cross multiply. So it would be a times 2x plus 1, b times 2x minus 3, and then dividing by the product of 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. From here, we can see that 1 is equal to a times 2x plus 1 plus b times 2x minus 3. This equation is true for all x. And to find a and b, what we want to do is let x be something that make this factor 0 and this factor 0. So, for example, we can let x be negative 1/2, since 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So let x be negative 1/2. So in the place of x, we have negative 1/2. Negative 1/2. And this part will be 0. And here we get negative 4. So we get negative 4b equal to 1, or b is negative 1/4. And then to find a, we can let x be 3/2. Since 2 times 3/2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So in the place of x, we have 3/2. And this part will be 0. And then here we get 4. So we get 4a is equal to 1, or 8 is 1/4. So the expression 1 over 4x squared minus 4x minus 3 we can rewrite it as 1/4, since 8 is 1/4, over 2x minus 3 plus negative 1/4, since b is negative 1/4, over 2x plus 1. This is the original series, so we can rewrite this as 1/4 over 2n minus 3 and plus negative 1/4 over 2n plus 1. To get rid of the fractions, we can multiply the top and the bottom by 4. Multiply by 4, we get 1. Multiply by 4, we get 8n minus 12. Multiply by 4, we get 1. Multiply by 4, we get an plus 4. And now let's form some partial sums. This is the sum of the first 5 terms, and it's 0.282828. Sum of the first 10 terms is 0.308270. Sum of the first 100 terms is 0.338083. Sum of the first 1,000 terms is 0.3330833. Sum of the first 5,000 terms is 0.3332833. Sum of the first 10,000 terms, and then sum of the first 100,000 terms. And so what we're seeing here is that as n gets larger and larger and larger, the sequence of partial sums is approaching 0.333333, which is 1/3. And now let's write the sum of the first k terms. Here's our infinite series with the expression 1 over 8n minus 12 minus 1 over 8n plus 4. And let's generate the first 15 terms. So this is the first 15 terms, and then this is the kth term. So in the place of n, we just replace n with k. So once again, the kth term, so in the place of n, we just replace it with k. And then the term before the kth term, in the place of n, we would replace n with k minus 1. So replace n with k minus 1 and then simplify, and we get this term. And here, replace n with k minus 2 and simplify, and we get this term. And then k minus 3, replace n with k minus 4, replace n with k minus 5, and so on. And so that's how the sum of the first k terms is formed. And then now we can see that this minus 1 over 20 and 1 over 20, these will get cancelled. And then the 1 over minus 1 over 28, 1 over 28, and minus 1 over 36, 1 over 36, and minus 1 over 44. And so eventually we can see that all these terms, they will all get cancelled and they will drop out. And what's left is just the 1/4 and the 1/12. 1/4, 1 over 4 and 1 over 12. And then down here we can see that the 1 over ak minus 20, these will get cancelled. And again, eventually we can see that all these terms, they all will drop out and they all get cancelled. So what's left is just the 1 minus 1 over ak minus 4 and minus 1 over ak plus 4. And so the sum of the first k terms is just 1 over 4 plus 1 over 12 minus 1 over ak minus 4 minus 1 over ak plus 4. So the original series is the limit of s of k as k approaches infinity. But s of k is this. So as k approaches infinity, this term approaches 0, this term approaches 0. So what's left is just the 1/4 and the 1/12. And then so we get 1/3. So the infinite series converges to 1/3. And that's the end of the video.